Hey, what's up everybody? We're in the Pacific Northwest today and we're doing a little bit of fishing. So everywhere there's a photo opportunity, and today we've got some osprey flying around. We accidentally lipped this guy and he didn't make it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use him and we're going to bait some osprey who are also hungry. And what we want to do is we want to use a lens that's going to actually be able to zoom in to catch the bird grabbing the fish. So what I have today is my 18 to 55 millimeter. You can also use a telephoto lens. What you want to do is you want to set your camera on continuous high so that it takes a lot of pictures if you have that option on your camera. This is basically taking any opportunity that you can to take photos. Is some of the fun things about photography that I like to do. So here we go. We're going to throw the fish in the water. We're going to get our camera ready and then we're going to see if we can get some cool pictures. We'll see you guys next time from Randy Sage Photography.